All right, today's video, we're going to do two different things. We're using the Nosler RDF 130 grain bullet, and we're going to use cfe223. We're going to start out with a ladder test, shooting one shot at 29.2, working our way up to 31 in 0.2 grain increments. Nosler's data starts at 29 and works their way up to 31, so we're going to start at 29.2. We're going to kind of look for some of those velocity nodes, see where the velocity kind of plateaus, and we're going to load up 3-shot groups after that. So what we ended up doing was loading up 29.4, 29.7, and 30.0 grains for 3-shot groups. This is just an initial test to get some basic velocity. After we do this test, kind of see some trends, we're gonna, in the next video, we're gonna do some 5-shot groups using some different powder charges with this bullet, if everything works out all right. So as you can tell from the picture there, the ballistic coefficient on these bullets is insane at G7 0.307. The bullet's pretty long. It's 1.33 inches long. You can see it there next to one of my grendel cases. So if we can get these bullets shooting pretty accurate, get somewhere around 2,400 feet per second, this could definitely be something you could use out to about 1,000 yards. I only have about 700 yards here at my range, but either way, should be a pretty cool test. Hopefully these bullets shoot all right, and I would expect the next couple videos will be featuring these bullets in a couple different powders, a couple different overall lengths. Try to figure out something that works. Alrighty. Alright, today we're going to shoot 3-shot groups with the 130 grain RDF. We're going to start out at 29.4, then we're going to shoot 29.7, and then lastly we're going to shoot 30 grains. For targets at 100 yards, the orange dot is 1 inch. Said 29.7. Last group here, 30 grains. That one wasn't too bad. Here's the velocity data for the rounds that were shot today. On top is the ladder test. As you can see, we started out at 2371 and worked our way up to 2480. Below is the three-shot groups, all 3 velocities with their averages. So velocities were pretty impressive. Standard deviations, probably not so much. So here's the target from today. It's kind of a mixed bag, I would say. We didn't really find anything kind of in our ladder test that kind of shot close together. There you can see I have the charges written next to all the bullets on the left. Then we've got the 3-shot groups that we shot more on the right there. Best 3-shot group was just over 1 inch, which with 3 shots, that's not awesome. So looks like hopefully the groups are starting to tighten up as we work up into higher charges. So I think maybe in the next video we'll try just over 30 grains. We'll do a couple 5-shot groups with this bullet and this powder at 2.3 inches. The 3-shot groups were shot at the 2.3 inches to try to improve some of that accuracy, get a little bit closer to the lands. So as you can tell, kind of a mixed bag. We'll see what happens on the next video. The velocity numbers were pretty impressive. We worked all the way up with 31 grains at 2480 feet per second, which is pretty quick for this bullet. If you put it into the ballistic calculator at just under 2,500 feet per second, you can stay supersonic, at my altitude at like 1,100 yards. So pretty crazy if we can get these to shoot well. We'll see what happens on the next video.